speak something from my guy, my favorite musician, WANBHAA.
WANBHAA.
You're saying Shillong, Shillong, mana bena tini, Shillong, Shillong, mana mana. Oh my God. So, what's up, everyone? Why are you guys saying hello? You don't have anything? Show them the love, the energy, man. Show them.
What's up, guys?
Yo, what's up, guys?
Let us enjoy today.
Yeah, welcome back again, man. You are new in the channel.
And
so
support us.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, share, anything.
Yeah, but you have to show them the energy first, then they will subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
See it like this, okay?
Yeah.
How do we look, guys? Hope you like it, okay?
Yeah.
So today we are back again to the Shillong, Meghalaya, Khasi people.
Yeah.
PYNTHABA. The name of the music is PYNTHABA.
PYNTHABA.
Not PYNTHABA. PYNTHABA. Yes, PYNTHABA. We are going to sing PYNTHABA. PYNTHABA means Simjonga. We don't know. I'm just guessing, okay? I don't know the meaning of PYNTHABA, guys. What does it mean? Tell us, guys.
Tell us,
Yeah. So the musician we have JOELAN and WANBHAA. Oh, my guy is here. WANBHAA, the guy I told you about him.
Yeah.
Famous guy in Meghalaya is called WANBHAA.
Doi
Doi, my guy. What's up, brother?
What's up?
Love from Africa. WANBHAA. Feet before did also. This guy also before did that. He was in the music before. And Tete. We reacted to Tete. This guy was also there. So also he's also singing in this music. So we are requesting guys, just support us. It will not cost you anything. Just subscribe. Just click. That is enough for us.
Share also. So.
Yeah, love from Africa. Let's start. Barem bin kan ni sawa from Ireland. We will punch up. What's that? Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
This is WANBHAA. That guy is WANBHAA. You don't. Who is this guy? I think this is JOELAN. Hey, show them, ladies. Yo. WANBHAA, my guy is here. Yo, WANBHAA. Yo, let me speak something from my guy, my favorite musician, WANBHAA. You're saying Shillong, mana bena tini, Shillong, mana mana. Oh my God. What the hell, man? What does it mean, Shillong? WANBHAA, tell us more. Start.
Let me know PYNTHABA พี่นางนะPYNTHABA ตั้งอินพี่บาดเงินโดนเนินงาว่างานเงินหลังหาจันมาพี่วันเช้านังงา baby ว่าจันดีPYNTHABA มันมางาชูPYNTHABA
WANBHAA like that. Hey, Meghalaya. Good evening, everyone.
PYNTHABA พี่ทาบาหางาได้จริงลองกับชีดาเสียมดองากระทรังจริงเอียดนะพี่ กี่จอนะเป็นทบาบันแหลงนอเป็นทบาพี่นางนะนับว่าบันดันหลังหาฉันจงพี่น้ำเมียเป็นแปดเดียกับทุกความจงพี่เป็นทบาและคิดมันมังหาชูเป็นทบา
Hey, PYNTHABA, main Shillong ah.
Let's do it, guys.
Yo, PYNTHABA, my
PYNTHABA.
God. They did it, right?
Yeah,
They
guys,
did it
there's
right.
any girls from Meghalaya.
Yeah, the video,
Yes.
the video is nice. The video is
so
nice.
nice, so
Video is
nice, so nice,
super,
so
super,
nice.
guys.
Yeah, so
super
nice.
amazing.
Yeah.
Without any doubt, guys, we love the video.
Yeah.
Wait. Tell them, bro. What do you like about the video?
Yes, I like clothes. Yes, clothes.
You like the
Clothes.
dress?
Yes, dress.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
dress so
That's
nice.
true. That's
And
very
girls
true.
Also,
Yeah.
yes, you know, dancing girls.
Yeah, the way they
So
dance.
nice.
They dance so nice.
I
Yeah,
like
they dance.
girls.
They
Dance
dance.
so nice.
Yeah, that's really true.
Amazing.
There is three things which
Yeah.
made this video super
Yeah.
amazing, like the way the way they're dressing,
Yeah, dressing.
and the people they feature in this video, like they are all good dancers.
Yeah.
Even WANBHAA, my guy, is the best dancer. I think WANBHAA, you can call WANBHAA.
Not Wambo old one.
Chris Brown, Khasi.
Yeah,
Chris Brown, Khasi. You know why I say Chris Brown, Khasi?
Yeah.
Because see, Chris Brown is good in singing
Yeah.
and dancing.
Yeah.
So also this guy is WANBHAA. He's also a musician. He can
Yeah.
sing and he can dance.
Yeah.
So he have the
Yeah,
character of Chris
Wow,
Brown.
there is one thing
Love you,
beautiful.
bro.
Girls.
Yeah, look at all the girls here. They are so beautiful, man.
Nice girls.
Yeah, they feature nice girls, and the way they're dressing is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
They're dancing also. If
Yeah.
WANBHAA is dancing,
Yeah.
then what?
Yes, come to us.
Then
Meghalaya.
nothing wrong is there, man. Nothing is wrong there.
Visit.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's so
I
important.
will take them to Meghalaya.
Yeah.
I'll take them to Meghalaya,
Yeah.
guys. They like everything
Yeah, wait
about
for us.
Meghalaya up to
Yeah.
now. Only that they don't know how to speak Khasi.
Khasi. Yeah.
They said you have to learn Khasi first, then you will
Teach us in comment.
you can go to
Yeah.
Meghalaya. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Tell us other meanings in this song because they were no subtitle, but we learned things like PYNTHABA,
Panchaba.
not PYNTHABA,
PYNTHABA.
PYNTHABA, PYNTHABA.
Panchaba.
Say WANBHAA.
WANBHAA.
WANBHAA. Love from Africa, my nigga.
WANBHAA.
Subscribe, join the African family.
Yeah.
Don't forget.